Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lollipop juice. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and about 1 teaspoon of your chosen food-grade flavoring. You'll also need a sturdy saucepan, a reliable candy thermometer, and some lollipop molds or sticks. Ensuring you have everything ready before you start will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started. Now, let's cook our sugar syrup. In your saucepan, combine the 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. Stir this mixture continuously over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and insert your candy thermometer. Allow the syrup to boil gently until it reaches a precise temperature of 295 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This temperature is crucial for the lollipop's texture. Once your syrup reaches 295 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat right away. This is the critical moment to add your flavoring. Carefully stir in about 1 teaspoon of your chosen food-grade flavoring, mixing it thoroughly but quickly. Work fast, as the syrup will begin to cool and thicken. Immediately pour the hot, flavored syrup into your prepared lollipop molds, filling each one about 3/4 full. Be cautious, as the syrup is extremely hot. After pouring, it's time for the lollipops to cool and set. Let them sit undisturbed at room temperature for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, or until they are completely firm and hard. Do not try to rush this process by refrigerating them, as it can cause cloudiness. Once fully cooled, carefully twist or gently pop the lollipops out of their molds. Now you have delicious homemade lollipop juice, ready to enjoy or share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.